Most people think they need more protein. Everywhere we look, shakes, powders, bars, we're told it's the secret to strength and health. But what if we've been misled? The truth is, your body already has a built-in protein management system. It maintains what's called an amino acid pool, a reserve that can last up to 2 weeks. That means your muscles aren't running on today's meal. They're running on balance over time. So no, you don't need to panic if you miss a post-workout shake. What matters isn't timing, but quality and balance. Modern science now uses something called a DAS, the Digestible Indispensable Amino Acid Score, to measure protein quality more accurately than older protein efficiency ratings. And here's something few people talk about. There's a natural limit to how much muscle the human body can build. Once you hit that ceiling, excess protein doesn't make you stronger. It just stresses your system. In fact, research shows that eating too much protein, especially processed or isolated forms, can lead to inflammation, gut issues, and long-term health risks. But here's the good news. A plant-forward diet, when properly balanced, can provide all 9 essential amino acids. Your body can thrive with strength, energy, and longevity without over-consuming protein. Stay disciplined, stay balanced, and keep your mind and body unfettered.
That was Dr. Bomi Joseph. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on health and longevity.